Hi, this is my new arrival from Bunnings Warehouse, Australia. Jumbuck charcoal BBQ grill and smoker. I'm so excited. This is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Let's go for unboxing. Please remove all contents from the packaging and make sure that all parts are present before attempting to assemble. Step 1. Install the leg onto the BBQ body. Step 2. Install the air vent onto the BBQ body. Step 3. Install the chimney onto the hood. Step 4. Install the hood hinge onto the hood. Step 5. Install the air vent onto the hood. Step 6. Install the temperature gauge and temperature gauge support onto the hood. Step 7. Install the hood handle and hood handle support onto the hood. Step 8. Attach the hood onto BBQ body. Step 9. Place the charcoal grid and cooking grill onto the assembled BBQ. The installation for this Jumbuck charcoal BBQ grill and smoker is very easy and straightforward. All you need to do is to follow the instructions given. Now, we are ready to set it on fire.